I'm Nick Mitchell, my little beamish buggy. Been part of the Wildbuggers family now for about 2.5 years. We actually bought our buggy to tow behind our motorhome, which we still do. And then we met this mad crowd, and we've been part of their family now, as I said, for 2.5 years, and we have wonderful outings with them. We see new things, and it's all in our own little town. I mean, it's the first time I've been to this wonderful lookout spot here, and it's really, really lovely. And yeah, we get to experience a whole bunch of new things. So we bought this at a little place in Worcester, and it was a complete wreck. The engine and the body was a complete wreck. It was red originally. We resprayed it, we fixed it up, we had the engine upgraded to a 1835cc. We got a canopy for it, and very difficult to get in and out these things, but we made a slight modification. You just release a little handle, we lift up, and it makes it a bit easier to get in and out. And we love our buggy. I mean, we've got a motorbike as well, but it's actually better being in a beach buggy. It's more social with your wife, partner, friends, family, whatever. You can talk, you don't need a helmet. It's really good. We love it. Every time we go out on a ride, there's always somebody new that you meet that's joined the club and become a member, and you find out about their social background, what they do for a living, and it's become a real integrated little family where everybody helps and supports one another, which is absolutely fantastic. It's all about networking and meeting new people. It's really great. Next month is our turn to do a ride. This is an outing, and we organise next month's ride, and we hope that the guys are going to enjoy it as well.